So I've made some videos talking about leaking ductwork. Your duct system is so important. It doesn't matter if you've got high efficiency air conditioner or high efficiency furnace. If the ductwork cannot get the air you want conditioned through the system to the conditioned space that you want, it's pointless. You're not going to get the full value of the high efficiency. We're lucky when I bought this house, we discovered problems so I can do a video for you. Now, so they did duct cleaning here, and we got poor airflow in this house. As my lovely wife will point the camera in there, they have the opening in the ductwork to connect the return, but you've got that little framing header in there that it's going to stop the airflow. And then, if my lovely wife will kind of point this spot, see the light there? This return is not even connected to the house return itself. So when the furnace kicks on the run, it's going to suck up, probably at this case with the way we're looking, and I'll show everything, 90% of the air is going to be coming from the basement, and with as leaky as the house is, it's going to suck the outdoor air in. Like this portion. This is sheet metal off here as part of the return that should be by our kitchen. However, you can see right there, you have the sheet metal, they've blocked it off, which is great how it should be done, but there's holes that should be pulling air, and there's the holes that should be pulling air. But do we see the problem? We have the returns in the house, yes. They're not even connected to it. So my wife's office has the return that will go through this portion and over to here. So that's the only return in the house actually pulling upstairs air from upstairs, because, well, the other return is obviously not even connected. So the comfort problems we have are not furnace related, but ductwork and airflow related on top of the leaky house. So even though we have the fancy 90% efficient furnace, it doesn't mean anything. It just means we're wasting energy as efficient as possible type of deal. So be on the lookout for some more videos talking on this stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.